Hey Curly Teas! Today let's make a gorgeous honey-based midnight blue curl defining gel to give definition and shine to your luscious curls. Always use distilled or deionized water to make these creations. I usually transfer my distilled water to more durable, smaller bottles for better, longer-term storage.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based skin products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, enhancing the effectiveness and safety of cosmetic formulations.
Honey powder is a natural humectant. You can substitute raw honey if you don't have this. I like this version because in its powdered form, I don't have to worry about stickiness or having trouble getting it out of the bottle and into the recipe. The powder dissolves with a little mixing into almost any water-based liquid. MSM is said to help improve the strength of the hair over time. MSM stands for that lovely word on the screen right now. It's thought to help build protein found in the hair, the skin, and the nails. Some suggest to use 10% of MSM if you're using it topically. If you don't have MSM, you can skip it or replace it with another hair-loving additive or combination of additives. Try biotin. I've decided to use Liquid Germo Plus for this one. If you have issues with this preservative, follow the recommended instructions of your chosen preservative. Use whichever preservation system that works best for you. Sepimax Zen is a powerful emulsifier that can be used to create clear gels. It has a good amount of electrolyte resistance and is a nice substitute to those finicky carbomers that are very susceptible to pH. Sepimax doesn't need to be neutralized like carbomer does. It forms gels over a wide pH range. It apparently has a synergistic effect with other emulsifiers and polymers too. For example, combining Sepimax Zen with a non-ionic or anionic emulsifier can help stabilize your emulsion. And if you keep the Sepimax Zen under 0.5%, you can sort of avoid that characteristic jiggle or wobble that it gives. For me, I consider it one of my holy grail ingredients. Okay, if you're like me, you used to think Sepimax Zen could only reach full hydration and thickness by letting the powder sit overnight or for 8 hours after sprinkling it into the batch. Well, that's not exactly true. Manually stir for about 2 minutes. What I'm betting on is that using high shear like a stick blender may cause an issue by negatively affecting the viscosity, but I'm not 100% certain on that. I just know that sometimes with some polymers, viscosity is negatively affected by high shear, so manually stirring by hand is the preferred method here. After about 1 minute, you'll notice the mix getting thicker and the white clumps decreasing rapidly. After 2 minutes of manual stirring, it's well on its way to a fully hydrated, thick gel. Okay, from here, just leave it alone. Just let it sit while you prepare your other ingredients.
Become a member at the website for access to the full formula, including instructions and formula notes. Become a member at the website for access to the full formula, including instructions and formula notes. Become a member at the website for access to the full formula, including instructions and formula notes. Become a member at the website for access to the full formula, including instructions and formula notes.
That's it, guys. I love how well this came out, actually. It also performs well too. It's not too crunchy, but it does give a hold to the curl. It's a gorgeous deep blue that looks purple under different lighting. Check this out.
Shout out to the patrons at Patreon and the beautiful subscribers at the website.
Anyway, enjoy your curl enhancing gel. If you want to see another popular curl enhancer, check out the next video that will appear on your screen if you're watching at YouTube. I'll talk to you guys soon.